Hey, how's it going, guys? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Munchkin baby wipe warmer. Yeah. Now, I admit I was guilty of thinking that these wipe warmers were even necessary. I mean, as a first-time parent, I was thinking, oh, you just buy the wipes and they're room temperature, they're fine. I mean, what do you need to warm them up for? What's the point? And I was cool with not using them. I mean, when I was preparing for having a child, and when my child came, it was necessary. I don't know if it's the experience of everyone, but warmers are necessary for the comfort of the baby. I mean, something about the wipes being warm soothes them. It makes them like feel nice and comforted. And I really saw the difference from putting a cold wipe on my kid versus the nice warm one, especially the ones that were kind of scented, It like that. Now this one works very, very well. Okay, you put your wipes inside here. Okay. Actually, when it's turned on, this will turn red. You will see that it's being warmed. For some reason they have like these levers here so you can lock the top. I don't even know why you would need to lock it, but yeah, they're on both sides. I mean, I never used it. I mean, why lock it, right? And this top is for convenience here to pull them out like tissues. Yeah, so you would put your block right here of whichever wipes you're going to use, and you just put them right there, open it up, and then you pull it through like halfway, a little bit like that, just so you can reach it and grab it, and then you pull them out as you need it, right? And then once you're done, you close this down, and so it keeps all that warm in there. Yeah, this works really, really well. And if you've never been a parent before, you will be surprised how many of these wipes you will go through. So I think that is, this is a standard size here for the size blocks that the wipes come in. They come in kind of a standard size and amount, and you just fit it in there and you use it. I wish it would hold more, like if it was like a little taller or something and you could put more wipes inside so you didn't have to change it so often. But this is just the warmer, so it's like it's gonna only what kind of block size is out there, so it's not its fault. Yeah, but this does the job. It gets the wipes to a nice warm temperature, not hot, but just warm enough. Soothe the skin and make your baby feel really, really good. Munchkin is a really good brand. I have several of their products. Yeah, I haven't used this one in a while, but I use this to death. Kid was firstborn. Yeah, but I've seen this in also different colors. I've seen it in like a baby blue instead of the white here, and I've seen it in red. I guess that's good also to go with the feng shui of how your room is set up. I mean, how your baby's room is, the nursery. I find that most things are, I know in ours was white, so this being the prominent color, how many I've seen of these, mostly all white, goes with what your room most likely will look like. Yeah, and it fits in. And as you can see, I mean, if you look close, you can see, doesn't it look kind of like a nose and a smile right here? They probably did that on purpose. So it's kind of like a stuffed animal's face. Kind of a panda look or something like that. But I like this. This worked very well. Like I said, the only downside to me is that it doesn't hold more. I wish it did. But hey, it is what it is. It did very good for me. I liked it a lot. All right, guys. Well, that is the Munchkin baby wipe warmer. Yeah, I hope you use this information, guys. All right. I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.